Did you know that only 8% of people achieve their New Year's resolutions? Why do you think that is? What separates the successful from the unsuccessful? The answer is simple: skills. No matter how big your dreams are, there is always room for the best. But the best are not born, they are made. They are made by mastering their skills. Skills are the tools that enable you to do anything you want in life. Whether you want to start a business, write a book, travel the world, or become a rock star, you need skills to make it happen. But how do you master your skills? How do you go from being average to being extraordinary? Let me tell you a story about a friend of mine who had a big dream of becoming a professional singer. He was passionate about music, but he had no formal training or experience. He knew he had to work hard to improve his skills, so he practiced every day, took online courses, joined a choir, and entered competitions. He faced many challenges and rejections, but he never gave up. He kept learning and growing, and eventually he got his big break. He auditioned for a famous talent show and impressed the judges with his amazing voice and performance. He won the show and became a star overnight. He achieved his dream because he focused on his skills, not on his fame. You see, the key to achieving anything you want is not to chase the goal, but to chase the growth. It's not to focus on the outcome, but to focus on the process. It's not to worry about the competition, but to worry about yourself. You can achieve anything you want if you put your mind to it.
You always have the potential to grow and improve.
Nothing is impossible if you work hard and smart. But you have to take action. You have to start today. You have to do something every day that will make you better than yesterday. So, here are 3 things you can do today to start mastering your skills. 1. Identify one skill that you want to improve and write down your goal. Number 2. Find a reliable source of information or guidance that can help you learn that skill. It could be a book, a course, a mentor, or a friend. And the last, number 3, schedule a time to practice that skill every day and track your progress. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you do these 3 things consistently, you will see amazing results in no time. You will become more confident, more competent, and more successful. You will achieve anything you want by mastering your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and take action now. The world is waiting for you to shine. You have the power to make your dreams come true. You have the power to master your skills. You have the power to achieve anything you want. Go ahead. Let's break it.